How to fix FIFA 21 crashing on Windows PC. 1. Meet the minimum requirements to play FIFA 21. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 2. Roll back your graphics. Driver if you can. 3. Update your device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Verify integrity of your game files. 4.1. If you're playing FIFA 21 on Steam. 4.2. If you're playing the FIFA 21 game on Origin. 5. Change the DXX settings. 5.1 Locate the FIFA setup.ini. File C /users /username /documents /FIFA 21. Refer to the IMG below. 5.2. Change DXX_select configuration. 5.2.1 If DXX_select equals 1, change 1 to 0. 5.2.2 If DXX_select equals 0, change 0 to 1. 6. Modify the in-game settings as listed below. Resolution, Windows borderless. Rendering quality, low. MSAA options, off 7. Disable overlay. 7.1 Steam, 7.2 Origin, Pad. My game library FIFA 21 settings uncheck enable Origin in-game for EA Sports FIFA 20. 8. Play in offline mode.